I will never forget the moment I first opened the box. Even before I touched them, I knew these white wedding pumps were something special. Carefully, almost reverently, I lifted the lid, and there they were. A soft, shimmering white, delicate yet strong, with a perfect high heel and a silhouette that seemed to promise magic. I ran my fingers gently across the satin surface. It felt smooth, almost like touching a cloud. The light caught on their curves and made them glow. These weren't just shoes. They were a dream, my dream, waiting to come true. I sat down slowly, the anticipation humming inside me. I slipped my foot into the first pump, feeling the soft interior welcome me, as if it had been made just for me. Then the second. I stood up carefully, feeling the slight, thrilling elevation the heels gave me. In that moment, something shifted. I was no longer just trying on shoes. I was stepping into a vision of myself.